to this channel once again. I'm going to be taking you through how to create a very perfect channel, how to set up your channel for fast growth in this video. And in the course of the video, I'm going to be giving you some particular questions. You're going to be working with ChatGPT. You ask ChatGPT those strategical questions, and you create your channel with the response you get. Okay, so now let's see how to create a channel. Then we move to how to set it up. All right, so let's move to our YouTube app. You can see this particular place where we have our profile. You can see this place where we have our profile. So we tap on our profile, and you can see here on my name here, it says create a channel. So you tap on it and you do what? Just tap on create channel. Wow, channel created. So our channel,
we always recommend Shopify. It took us from
successfully. So now what are the strategic things we need to do? So you come back to your particular profile, you tap on it again. Now you can see this place where we see edit channel. You tap on edit channel. Now we have to fill these details here. We have to fill the details here. Name of our channel. So before we get started, let me show you. Let's start from the questions. You have to ask ChatGPT, and you're going to make ChatGPT to respond to you as a YouTube strategical expert. A YouTube strategical expert. Now take a look at the question. If you want the PDF to this question, you can just drop your comment in the comment section, and I'll drop it. I'll send it to you. He said, please, I want you to respond to me as a YouTube strategical expert that knows how to set up a channel from scratch in order to ensure rapid growth on the channel. So I've told ChatGPT that at this point, this is what I want you to become for me. All right. So the next thing I'll be telling ChatGPT now is I want you to help me with fast growing niche on YouTube. We all want to grow fast on YouTube. So YouTube gave me this fast growing niche on YouTube. I think I love the Kid Nursery Rhymes channel, the Kids Educational Character Based Series Nursery Rhymes channel. Okay, it even says not just rhymes. Not just rhymes. Okay, it says look at Cocomelon Nursery Rhymes. All right, now let's take a look at the next question. The next question says, now I want you to select the Kid Nursery Rhymes niche. Okay, I want to select the Kid Nursery Rhymes niche, and now give me top 5 perfect names for my channel. Top 5 perfect names for my channel. We have Brightness Kids, we have Tiny Toons in World. So let's just select one. Brightness Kids. Brightness Kids. So please follow me. Brightness Kids. So we started. The name of our channel is there already. You can see our handle is created automatically, but you can as well do what? Change it to what you prefer. You can as well change it. It doesn't affect anything. All right, we've put our name, the name of our channel. The next question, if you are responding to me, okay, the next question, I'm going to send the correct questions to you. Just drop a comment section in the comment. Just drop a comment section. It says, now I'm still responding to me as a YouTube strategical expert. I want you to help me with perfect description for my channel. So this response to me was not perfect enough. So I told it since I've been on YouTube for a while, I told it I want at the end part, I want to encourage people to subscribe to my channel. So it created this for me. So we're going to copy. It's just about copying and pasting. So for the description, just copy and paste. So we successfully created the channel. So now we successfully created the channel, but make sure you create a profile picture and a banner. Here you have the banner, here you have the profile picture. The profile picture is more important, but the both is necessary. Profile picture is more important, but the both is necessary. So the next question, give me top 5 topics my channel, my niche can create videos on in order to grow fast. Top 5 titles that you can create videos on for you to do what? For you to grow fast on YouTube. I have color songs, I have phonics and ABC songs, I have counting, blah 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 blah. All right. The next question you'll be asking ChatGPT, still responding to me as a YouTube strategical expert. I want you to give me 15 perfect keywords that I can use to set up my channel. And please, I wouldn't mind if you mention 2 great successful channel in the keywords. All right, these are the keywords, and I told you to separate them with commas so that I can just copy and do what? And paste. So I copied the 15. But we're not going to be pasting it here right now. You're going to do that using the YouTube Studio, and you access the YouTube Studio through your browser. So if you are using Chrome, Phoenix, whatever, just access your YouTube. Just access it. Trying to switch trying to switch to the channel I just created. All right, we're here. Okay, continue. All right. So now, please take a perfect look at me now. Take a look at me now. Take a look. Let's see what they have to say. It says to verify it me. Let's wait for it to verify. Okay, verified. All right. In fact, coming here already, they're already showing us to blah 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 blah. So select the settings. I hope you saw what I did here. Take a look at your screen. You can see this place behind. All right, take a look at my screen. You can see this place where you have settings. You can see this place where you have settings button. Tap on the settings. Those keywords you've copied. Here is where you're going to make use of it. Talking about feedback settings. Here's where you're going to make use of it. You can see here we have general. Please make sure your general, you always put the currency, the perfect. Look for Nigeria and put it. Look for Naira and put it. Now move to the channel. You can see in this place we have country of residence. Make sure you select your country of residence and please be truth about it. All right, the keywords we copied, we're going to paste them here. Just paste and do what? And send. Please make sure it is showing this way. All right, the next step. Let's see the next step. The next question you have to ask ChatGPT. I want you to give me perfect secret tags. You see, the keywords and the secret tags are those things that people search on YouTube, and when you set up your channel very perfectly, then your channel would easily be suggested to people. Do you understand me? So when you set up your channel well, your channel will easily be suggested. Channel will easily be identified or notified by YouTube algorithm, so that they can always push your channel. So the secret tags now. Here are the secret tags. Have I passed? Okay. Here are the secret tags. You just copy and what? And paste. Now take a look at where you're gonna paste it. To your settings again. So settings. Don't forget you're setting up your channel. Okay, your secret tags. You come to upload default. I hope you're seeing my screen. Upload default. You go to your upload default and you do what? Make sure it comes out this way. Now your visibility. Whenever you're uploading on YouTube, make sure you always set on private before you schedule your video. When your video is on private, if you upload a video today, set it on private and you schedule the video to be published on let me say today is Sunday, let me say on Tuesday. You can as well go back to what you've just done. You can as well go back to the video and make some changes while it is on private. But don't just upload your video and do what and publish it. No, it's not done. So now, while you're uploading your video, you can put your description, you put your titles. Now the necessary thing, the last question here, I said please give me 5 perfect hashtags. Okay, 5 perfect hashtags. Your hashtags will be used while uploading your video. You can paste it in your description. Just copy and paste. I hope you're following me. So we have our hashtags, copy and paste on the description. Can you see that? So that's fine that way. Now come to advanced settings. You see this place where you have category. Make sure you select your category. For kid nursery rhymes, you can make use of education or let me see, or film and animation. So if you are into music, you select music. If you are into people and blog, select people and blog. If you are into auto and vehicles, select vehicles. If you are into comedy, make sure you select. All right. Now you can leave this the way it is. Save. All right. Let me see if there are any other things you need to do. All right. Perfect. Now, how to upload your videos. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to upload your videos. You see, in YouTube, whenever you come to YouTube, there are strategical movements. You don't do things anyhow. You do things anyhow, you don't get visibility, you don't get views, and you might spend years here on YouTube. So you have to follow strategical movements. If you get anything from this YouTube channel, please make sure you do well to subscribe, you like, and you share. Drop a comment in the comment section. Comment section if you need the PDF of all these questions. So just copy the questions, ask ChatGPT, whatever ChatGPT gives you, make sure you copy and paste. And I have a bonus for you. Make sure you do not share your video link to push videos by yourself. If you do that, you are spoiling your channel. A word is enough for the world. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. God bless you.